We are now on the third floor of building number 2, which is our trimming and sanding workshop. After demolding, the raw mannequin forms are transferred to this floor and distributed to different work zones for detailed surface finishing. Here, each piece is carefully trimmed and sanded to achieve a smooth and even surface, preparing it for the next steps such as painting and surface treatment. Every work area is equipped with a dedicated dust extraction system, and all workers operate with protective masks, ensuring effective dust control and a safe working environment. Once the trimming process is completed, the mannequins are moved to the designated storage area, where they are organized and prepared for the next stage of production.